Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and I really like to take pictures. A really big part of what makes a great photo is what you wear, and today I'm going to give you some tips on what you might wear to a photo shoot. When taking photos, I really like my makeup to stand out. I did a whole video on photo shoot makeup. If you want to check that out, I'll put that in the description box below. Red lipstick is almost always a good option. Then we got some bright colors. I love myself a very vibrant red. And in this photo, we got this orange sweater, and I wasn't super excited about it at first because, I didn't know if it was gonna look good, but in the end it did because it kind of blends in with the background and kind of complements the fact that it's golden hour, and I actually really like it. I tend to avoid darker colors because, as you can see in this photo, my pants are like the darkest thing in the entire photo, and it just kind of takes away from the overall nature vibe of it all, and it just kind of snuffs out the light. Instead of a darker, tighter pant, I will opt for a looser, lighter colored mom jean, and I think this is a really great combination with the cute little top, and I tend to wear stuff like this a lot, like crop top with looser pants. It's a good look for me. While a delicate earring is good for an everyday look, a photo shoot is the time to pull out your extravagant earrings like this one or some hoop earrings. And yes, I am holding my other earring in my hand because I was too lazy to take it out of my ear. Here I am yet again with another cute little top. You can experiment with different textures and patterns like stripes, and also yellow looks good on everybody, so don't forget about your accessories. Here I've matched this pearl bag with my pearl earrings, and honestly, so extra, but like so great, so cute. And if you have a bamboo bag like this, it'll just steal the show with the whole picture. Something as simple as a bag can just bring a whole photo together. When in doubt, put on a jacket. I'm personally really into the whole denim on denim vibe, but it doesn't have to be denim. Like, I think a jacket can just add so much to your outfit, and also you can use it to pose. You can take it off halfway, look back over your shoulder. It's so useful, so useful. I will usually avoid sweater cardigans like this because when I turn around I kind of turn into a rectangle, and I definitely want to maintain some shape, especially since I have a naturally petite figure already. Looks kind of cute from the front though, but that's why I wear this sweater cardigan in my daily life, but maybe not for a photo. Just like how I like to wear big earrings, I also like to wear really noticeable shoes. For example, these chunky white trainers will look way better than these normal tennis shoes just because they have a lot more personality, I think. Also, the super high platform shoe is really great too. And even though they're huge, they don't look that big in the photo, and it just kind of makes my legs look longer. So that's always a good idea. And lastly, the most important thing to wear to a photo shoot is confidence. And just wear whatever makes you feel comfortable, confident, because confidence is what's going to show through in the pictures. Alrighty everybody, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!